Hello everyone, welcome to Chemoholics, your one-stop channel to make chemistry simple, easy and exam ready. So in the series of solving numerical problem from part A of paper 3 that comes in Geochemist examination, I came up with a new problem from 2019 paper, and this question is of 5 marks. So let's see how we are going to solve this problem. So the molarity of C9 at 60 in winter rainwater is 5.6 nanomolar. Find its concentration in parts per billion. Okay, basically they are asking you to change the nanomolar to the ppb. Okay, you need to change this unit basically. So how we are going to solve this? First of all, let's calculate the molar mass of this molecule. Molar mass is equals to 29 multiplied by 12.01 plus 60 into 1.008, and the value is 348.29 plus 60.48 is equals to 408.79 gram per mole. Okay, remember to write the unit because we are going to change the units here. So here it is the molar mass, means mass of 1 mole. Okay, now they have given 5.6 nanomolar. We can also write it as 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 molar, right? Or we can also say 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 moles per liter. Okay, this is the way that we can convert this this value into molar or into moles per liter. Now we need to change this molar, or we can say this moles per liter into grams per liter. So first step is convert from mole per liter to gram per liter. Okay, so to do that, what we need to multiply this by its molar mass. Okay, 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 moles per liter multiply by 408.79 because it's its molar mass gram per mole. Now you can see mole is going to be cancelled by the mole. Now you have seen that we have converted this into the gram per liter. The unit has become gram per liter, and if you multiply this, it will become 2.29 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, now we are able to convert gram per liter to ppb. Okay, we can change it now. So always remember, 1 ppb is always 1 microgram per liter, or we can say 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram per liter. Okay, now see, the unit here is what? Grams per liter, and the unit here is what? Grams per liter. So to cancel these units, what we need to do here, we need to divide this part to this part, then we are able to remove this one and these units. So 2.29 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram per liter, and it is also in gram per liter, multiply by, because this value is for what? 1 ppb. Okay, this one is cancelled, this one is cancelled. So what is the value in ppb? It is 2.29 ppb. So that's how you need to convert this molarity into parts per billion. You can also convert this value into parts per million, but if they ask you parts per million, instead of taking this 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, take 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is for ppm if the question is in ppm. Okay, so I hope I was able to explain you this question and you are able to understand it. With this, I'm stopping this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy the video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.